$1,500 with your phone, with your smartphone. Is it Apple? Is it Android? All the smartphones you can earn the money using these two websites I'm going to show you. They are very free of charge, and I'm sure that there are some people, the few people who know it, they are making a lot of money out of it, and the majority of people who say no, Christine, it cannot happen, these are scams, they don't make money. But I assure you that in this video, it's a mind-blowing video that you can earn $1,500 on a monthly basis when others are even earning more than that. So today I'm bringing for you these two platforms that are going to help you sit down and make money, whether at the comfort of your sofa at home, are you watching TV, are you in the kitchen, are you a single mom, or you're a housewife, are you commuting to work, are you at the beach, are you in the vacation, you can earn this money. Do you have any social media platform, you can earn this 1,500 out of this. So welcome back to this video where I'll show you how to make 1,500 monthly using two powerful platforms. These two powerful platforms you're going to look at for free. They are really free indeed. They give you free ways to earn money online. You will come to understand that this Immaculate Show is the right place whereby everything that we put there is it is just for free. We promote free things because gone are the days when people were being scammed, when people are being lied that you have to first put this to get this. But as long as you have your smartphone and you have internet, you have data, you can access money without any problem. Is it free money? Yes, it's free money. Per se, you have to put in dedication, you have to put in focus, you have to forego other things for you to be financially free. How much are we expecting? The least we're expecting $1,500 on this. Now I'll be going with you through this platform, and you're going to go step by step. You will see the screen say, how do you make money out of it, and how do you withdraw the money out of it? If you know you're kind of a person who wants, or been looking for the free ways to earn money online freely, you're in the right place. In this guide, I will walk you through exactly how to use these platforms to generate a consistent income streams without any upfront cost like deposit or like paying anything, application fee. So these two platforms, one is Paid Work and another one is Unbre. These are the platforms that I'm going to show you key strategies and tips that you will be able to maximize your earnings, and at the end of the month you reach $1,500 for you. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, you guys. Let's dive in and see exactly how do you earn from these two platforms. These two platforms, I'm going to start with Paid Work. First up is the Paid Work. The Paid Work platform is a versatile site where you can complete various tasks and get paid for your efforts. Whether it is filling out of surveys, watching videos, or trying out new apps, Paid Work offers multiple ways to earn money online. The best part is it's free to join. They will not restrict your age. They will not restrict you as in terms of location. You are very free. They are not going to ask you any amount of money to start on this. So you can start earning right away as long as you sign up. To get started, you guys, you have to sign up on the Paid Work platform. You can download it on App Store or you download it on Play Store. Paid Work platform, you fill out your profile and choose the tasks that suits you best. The more tasks you complete, the closer you get to the earning of $1,500 a month. You can choose to make $4,000, you can choose to make $6,000, but I think 1,500 is considerable to the people who are focused and who want to make it work. Now, I'll be sharing some tips later on how to maximize your earning, so keep watching. But right now, let's dive in and we'll see how can you access and make money on platform of this Paid Work, and how does it look like. This platform, let me show you how it looks like. This is a logo, so we are going to go into the screenshot, please. It will be on our side, on this side of the screen. This is where you see this is the real the Paid Work. So I click on it. I had already signed it, but I decided to not to sign in, because I want you to check the step by step. If you've not registered here, you would go here for registration, but I'm not going to click there because it will take me very fast since I've already registered. So you click on registration. When you click on registration, it is going to give you option. You can either register by email, you can register by Apple or Facebook, the way you want it. By me now, let's click here on sign in. For me to sign in, I'm signing in. You can see you can sign in with the different ways of signing in. Log with Google, Microsoft or Apple, but me, I sign in always with Google. So let's go and see, because it is taking me to my email, the one I used. So this is it. We are going to see exactly how can we. So this is my now how it looks for me, the dashboard, and how it looks like for you to be on paid work. So paid work is a platform, like you've heard, you can earn in different ways. If you see here, the dashboard is there. There is earning, there is billing, there is analysis, there is achievement, referral program, achievements, and settings. So what we are going to concentrate on today is the simplest way. There are different ways of earning. For you here, you'll earn in points. Every 1,000 points is $3.6. Now when we come here, you can see you can earn in playing games. For lovers of games, you can fill out your surveys. This is something that brings by a lot of money on this fill out surveys, because surveys start from certain amount of money. Then watch videos, there's online shopping, there's scan receipt, and this scan receipt has been added recently. Then there's microtask. Microtask here, if you open it, it is so superb that you can learn a lot of things from microtask. And scan receipt, if you open also, you are going to find different things that you learn from there. Online shopping, the more you earn from this one, you get cashbacks. This is the one way of earning. So there are different ways, 1 2 3 4 5 6 ways of earning on this platform. To cut this place now, yes, you can start. What you do, you close it like this. Now already you watched the entire video. You saw already I started earning. I watched the entire video and I got already. Now I've started another one. Hope you're with me. You can see on the screen I'm already letting it move, and the moment you check the minutes, it is up to 10 seconds. So it is counting now. It is 3. It is almost ending. Then we get our money. So when it brings this also, you don't click on this one, because if you click on this one, it is an advert. Already the one which gives you money has already ended. So let it finish here, then you continue. There is no need for you to touch on this one. Here we are going to reach there. This is how you pray your ads and earn money. So you can see, doing like this, you don't need any expertise, you don't need anything for you to earn this money. So here we are. Let's continue. This is how you earn money on this platform. Let's cross this one. So they tell me you watched the entire video correctly and I got 8 points. So if you want to continue, you can continue, you can go. But they are telling you new videos are loading, please try again later. So meaning the videos are loading right now, they are not there. So now let me take you and I show you how to build on this platform. You build it, it is simple for you to build. How, if you want to build the amount of money, you want to get the amount of money that is here, you go here. Like now I've earned 1.31, but the minimum withdraw is 10. For you, if you reach 10, I've been withdrawing from this one. The moment you reach 10, you click here, there's withdraw here, you add your payment method and you withdraw. This is it. Let's dive in and go to the second part of the platform. How can it is Unbre? How can you earn money on Unbre? Unbre, now let's talk about it. It is another excellent platform, free platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and redeeming offers. It is almost like paid work. Unbre is user friendly and you can easily accumulate points that can be redeemed for cash or gifts. Signing up on Unbre is a breeze once you are in. Focus on the high paying tasks that can help you quickly. You rank up your points and you withdraw. What you need to do is to be consistent, and it is possible to earn a significant amount of money like $1,500 and above. Combining these two, being consistent and being focused. This will pay you. With paid work, you can get up to $1,500 a month, because these are the platform that almost look alike. So let me take you to the platform of Unbre, how it looks like. Let me look for it, and we start on Unbre. Then we see what you do. Go to your browser, your favorite browser you like, and we are starting now. You write there Unbre. When you write Unbre, that is Unbre and no, I'm taking you. We have very many, so I'm taking you to a different one. Let me put for you Unbre. Unbre, this is it here. So you click on Unbre. That is where on your platform, on your website. I mean on any of the favorite browser that you love. Put Unbre. Unbre looks like that. Me, I've already signed up, so that's why it will come like this. So what you do, you can check here that Unbre you can download. You have Unbre, you can complete tasks, you can do very many things. You can get it on Android, and you can get it on the web, and at the same time you can get it on your iPhone. So this is what is there right now. Let's see how you make money here. For you to make money, you can see I have only 17 points, but if I want, you can continue making money. In this, you can do surveys, you can watch also videos like what we're doing on paid work. Here on surveys, I'm not going to click there because I don't want this video to be very far. Remember, both of these platforms I've given you can also earn by doing invites. When you invite people, you can go to this invite and get you. Then you can also redeem very different things. Let's also click on videos and see is the video watching different from the other one. Now when we come here, earn points by watching videos from our partners. We have these videos. This one has 80 points, this one has 750 points, the same 750 points. What do you think? If you want to earn this amount of money, much amount of money, of course you are going to start with the ones which are highly paid with a high points. The more points it has, the more amount of money it has. How is this paid? If you're here, how do you access your money? How do you redeem the amount of money? For you to get amount of your money, here you use PayPal, and you can also use gift card. You can use also your bank transfer. Now you guys, I'm going to stop from here, because if you will go into details, we are not going to finish on this. The video is going to be long, but you've known these two platforms, you can earn a lot of money using them. So you guys, what do you think? I know there are some people there who are saying like, oh, we have tried a lot of platforms, but the money has not come as the way you're talking about it. Of course, these things are always there. If it doesn't work for you, it will work for somebody, but there's something that is always in common. It depends on your focus, it depends on your resilience, it depends on your consistency and persistence. So let's see, what are the strategies that I put down for you that you can use to make sure that you earn this 1,500 monthly? Now that you're familiar with both platforms, let's dive into some of the strategies that I always note down for you to maximize your earnings. First, make sure to log in daily to these both platforms, the paid work and Unbre. If you log in daily, you get access to most of the tasks